Hi everyone and welcome to Prezi. This is Prezi presentation getting started, video 1. So here we go. What do you do first when you get into Prezi? First, you want to create your template. And that's what we're going to be focused on today, is creating that template, because it's one of the most important aspects of Prezi, because it's going to meet your audience's needs, grab their attention, and display all the information in an organized way that meets your needs as well as the needs of your audience. So for all of you educators and administrators out there, this is really going to be geared towards you and how you can implement it within your classroom or school. Notice on the left, you have different categories, and that's where I'd like to start. So let's hop over to the left and take a look at the different categories. We have sales and business development, there's marketing, education and nonprofit, HR and training, and general. You can either filter by color as well to figure out what kind of presentation that would really meet the needs of your audience. Now I'm going to click on education nonprofit just to give you a glimpse of what kind of templates it offers for this kind of category. If I scroll down, you'll get to see all the unique ones that could be used for either reports or lesson planning or presenting projects. So I really like all the ones here. I think it grabs a lot of, the graphics are really original compared to things that you would see on PowerPoint or Google Slide. There's also a step 2 in creating and choosing your template. As easy as it might be to click on one, it may not be exactly the one that is right for you. In the right-hand corner, you'll notice that each slide, each template, has a word novice, skilled, or even mastered. There's a reason for that. There's 3 different skill levels in Prezi. So the novice is basically your beginners, your starters, right? So there's definitely a lot of layers to Prezi. So in order to get the hang of it and feel more comfortable with it, start here at novice and before you chop off more than you can chew. The second one here is skilled. So if you're feeling a little more ambitious and you have a lot of information to get through and you feel like this is the best way to organize that information and to relay it to your audience, then I'd say use this skilled one. Again, it's more layers and it's a one-up from the novice presentation. Finally, the last one is a master. That's like when you are a guru of Prezi and you're ready to take on all the layers and all the different kinds of graphics and information that you can implement within these templates. So if you've got it, I've got it. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here. There's 2 reasons why. One, I think the way that this is laid out within 4 groups, 4 topics, that's going to meet the needs of how I'm going to organize my information. I also like the font choices. I think they're fun, elementary level even, and the splash paint is kind of neat. It grabs my attention. I think it will do the same for my students or staff, whoever I'm presenting to in this school. So once I click on it, to make sure that this is the one I like, you can explore the template even further. This gives you the overview of what your presentation will look like. So starting from your home base, right? It goes right here, almost like a movie, zooming in on your topic 1 to your subtopics, to the different subtopics, and its text and pictures. So this is pretty neat. This one's really involved. It zooms right in throughout the presentation. I can see that being something really interesting for my students. I think I'm going to use this template, and when I use it, I'm going to click on a title for this template. So I need to name it first. I'm going to say template 1, getting started with Prezi. So I think this is probably the basic one here. It gives my audience a little idea of what they would be learning about. I can do 2 things. Who can see this presentation? I can share it with people I can share it with. This is when if your district or if you bought in to the upgraded plan, Prezi Edu Plus plan, and you're already paying for it, then this is something you can do. You can share it with the people that have this plan. Otherwise, if you're going with the free one like me, you're going to click on anyone on the web. can see your presentation. Then you're going to select it and you're ready. So keep in mind when you're creating a template, think about how you want to engage your audience. Is it going to be the right way to organize your information? And is it the right skill level for you? Enjoy!